You know who this is, man. Big Jet. Big Jet. Here we are.
Oh my god, time to see how good this camera is. Yep. These spider webs. Is this just a thing whenever it's... You can see it. Well guys, the day is finally here. Ugh. It's gotta climb past so much stuff. But don't judge my shoes. Alright. Ignoring that corner a little bit, but it's time to clean up. Finally. I've already started moving stuff out, and then the rest of the day is probably just going to be brainstorming how to deal with that camera, with that corner. I hope that your microphone, I hope that my microphone's picking me up and that it's working well, but yeah, big exciting news, time to clean up a little. Haha, I got a little helper. A little walking dustpan. Both my big boys come out to give me a hand, hey? Hey, so just need to now double check video. Alright, so I've got the floor pressure washed clean. Now we just need to start moving stuff back onto it. I'm gonna let it dry up a little bit and take the bottoms off of the shelves, that way I can see when it starts to rain next. I want to make sure that if it is going to leak, that I'll be able to actually see it. Hopefully we fixed it. I'm, pretty confident. Also, want to give all my gym gear a clean because yeah, I've tracked a lot of mud back and forth. So you can see here, just like looking at the ground, like I'm just gonna need to give all that a pressure wash. The weight plates are all dirty. So just a bit more cleaning and then yeah, should be good to go. What does this mean? It's like bubbling. Porous concrete or something. Alright, little update. Maybe I can get a video out through the week, but it's basically we got shelving going up. Gonna try and get my hands on some more gym mats, and then chuck away the rest of this stuff, and should be back in business as far as the car stuff goes. So still got a little bit more vacuuming and hosing down to go, but it's coming together pretty quickly. So yeah, hopefully maybe we can get a short out this week or something. So I'm gonna have to edit out the loud vacuum noise, but it's probably like the best part about having the shop vac is I can just vacuum up water. Pretty funny. I'm just sort of standing around here cleaning up. Obviously got a lot of junk, but I think it's like I feel really wholesome that like I'm standing here, I'm just talking to myself, but this is literally the most enjoyable thing to me. Like I can't get any more enjoyment out of my time than literally just hanging out in here cleaning dust off my crap. But I don't know. Does anybody else ever feel like that? Like, I don't know. Surely I'm not like the only person on earth who like sits around and then is just like, I really like just hanging out in my shed, just doing tool stuff. I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below. Who else will just sit around in their shed and just do random crap cleaning up, fill in their whole day? Hey guys, just want to take this moment to direct you over to all my social media. On Instagram, it's R32Seasick. On YouTube, we've got Project J Garage at Big Jet. Okay, couldn't get at Big Jet as just the channel name because guess what comes up? Big Jets. Okay. Also over on TikTok, which is only 3 days old. You see, I did one really good video on there already. Um, that's going to be Big Jet as well. The posting schedule I aim for is one vlog style video each week and one car video each week. That's obviously going to be my priority. However, stuff's going to get in the way. Sometimes, the shed's going to get flooded. Sometimes, I might have to work instead of do car stuff on the weekend. It happens. But that is the plan. One vlog, one car, each and every week. Post. I'll do it. Film the content Monday to Friday, process the videos, and have them up hopefully on Sunday night, like this one should be, and then distributed across the social medias. Please follow on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to help the channel grow. really appreciate all of the support that I've been getting so far. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for this week's video. Like, comment, leave your thoughts down below, and I'll see you next week.